Yeah, thanks, thanks for joining. Yesterday we completed major areas, okay, regarding the chart of account structure, chart of account value sets, values, segment labels, attributes as well. Yesterday we got very basic questions, types of ledgers in GL. I hope you know primary ledger, reporting ledger, secondary ledger. What are the prerequisites? What are the setups are mandatory to create primary ledger? Chart of account structure, calendar, currency, convention accounting method. What are the mandatory fields to create primary ledger? And I'm asking you a question. What are the required setups to be done at ledger options?
Written learnings and language, general language.
Correct. Language, retained earnings account, future period. Clear? Then can we delete the primary ledger? Can we delete the primary ledger?
No. No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
We don't have the option. But I want to stop the primary ledger.
సార్ మీరు వర్క్ షాప్ లో లింక్ పెట్టినట్లేరు సార్.
Really? 1 minute.
సార్ పెట్టారు సార్, నిన్నే పెట్టారు.
10:30 పెట్టారు.
It's
there, sir. It's there, sir. It's there.
ఎస్టర్డే ఉంది సార్. నైట్ పెట్టారు.
సారీ సార్, ఉంది సార్, లాస్ట్ లో ఉంది సార్.
Okay. So what I trying to say, we don't have the option to delete the primary ledger. Can we disable the reporting ledger? Can we disable the reporting ledger? Yes, we can disable the reporting ledger at any time. Can we reactivate same ledger again? No, it is not possible. Okay. Can we define multiple reporting ledger under primary ledger? Yes. Okay, right. Next intro question. How many types of journals are there? Anyone can provide the answer? How many types of journals are there?
2. Actual and balance.
Okay. Actual, balance. How many ways we can create a journal? This is a top interview question. How many ways we can create a journal?
Manual and import.
Manual,
And
spreadsheet, auto copy, FBDA template,
Subledgers allocation,
Subledger journals, evaluation journal,
auto copy.
auto copy. Can we delete the journal once saved?
Yes.
Yes. Unposted status, you are eligible to edit, override, modify. Can we delete the posted journal?
No.
No.
It is already updated database tables, base tables. It will not allow to delete the journal, even modify the journal. Right. I want to stop the particular category journal for manual journal entry. Is it possible? I want to stop the manual journal entries for particular category.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Journal category level, there is a new functionality introduced. Exception categories. What is the significance of the ledger ID and what is the significance
We
of the
can raise the SR, sir. SR.
first remember as a GL consultant, ledger ID mainly to use data import from
Okay.
source applications or FBDI template, create any integration country specific for GL module, create customizations, reference of ledger ID to pull the data to extract the data. Clear? Right. Can we define own journal categories? Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can we define own source names?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. What is the difference between journal category versus journal source? Journal category is the purpose of the journal. Journal source is the origin of the journal, origin of the journal. Clear? Right. So can we upload exchange rate by manual? Can I create exchange rate conversion rates by manual? No.
Yes,
You
sir.
need to upload conversion rates by spreadsheet and or interface wise.
Yes.
Okay. Then can I enter debit line only debit line post the journal entry? We got this question very, very interesting. I entered one journal entry only debit line and allowed to post. This is interesting. Is it possible?
If suspense is enabled, it should possible.
Okay. Did you try? Just listen question. I entered debit line. I did not enter credit line. Okay. Does it allow to post? Anyone tried?
No, sir.
It save and it can save, it can complete, but it can't post, sir.
Okay.
Debit always equals to.
For stat generals, we can do.
Excellent. Super. Right? Okay. Start journal. We got the question couple of times. Start journal related. What is the use of start journal? What is the significance of the start journal? While using the allocations in the GL, we can use the start journal to allocate amount to the targeted departments every month, the same expenditure. Okay, start journal it will allow. Let me try regular journal entry. Okay. Can I change the journal page level any field name? Can I change the field name at the journal page? I'm asking you now.
Unless save complete, we can change.
Through page composer, through sandbox, we are able to change the field name. Just listen, Amma. Save. See, you must enter either an enter debit, enter credit. You must attribute code combination. Right? It is not allowing a single line. This type of testing you should done as a unit test. Clear? Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Page composer only technical people will do, sir.
We can do, but right. Now I change the stat journal. Okay. I change the stat journal. I will release one video related to stat and I prepared one document, but I did not deliver. Today or tomorrow I will deliver related to stat journal. Save. Complete. Post.
We are changing the option as a statistical journal under the currency. Then what is the currency for the statistical journal?
Super. Good. Let me come to the point. Anyone tested stat journal earlier?
No, sir.
It should alone only. Okay, let me test later. Next. Next. Can we delete the importing journals? Any errors data? Yes, sir. It will allow to delete, even correct. Can we import journal? One user requested one day. When I am accessing the import journals, I have the spreadsheet journal. I have the spreadsheet journal. Or source journal. Or 29 branches. Why ledger name is not displaying and
Already entries are posted. There is no posted entries.
there is no pending data to be imported. Remember, there is no pending data to be imported. Clear? Right. Can we modify the imported journal from Subledger? This is the top interview question many times. Can we modify the imported journal or can we reverse the imported journal? Can we override the imported journal from subledgers as example? Anyone ready to provide the answer?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. There is a controlling since EBS. If I go to journal source, if I go to journal source, you are importing receivables. If you keep freeze option yes, you will not allow to overwrite, even reverse it also. If you brought the data from Subledger to GL unposted status, it will allow to overwrite. If freeze option is no, if freeze option is yes, it doesn't allow to overwrite. It doesn't allow to, okay, reverse the journal. Shall we try? Yes. Anyway, we have some sample records. Go to journals. Go to manage journal. Let me try. Okay. I imported some receivable journal, subledger journal through create accounting program. If I go to here, you cannot able to reverse it, modify it, because freeze option is as a yes. Clear? Amma? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First of all, we don't send the unposted journal from AP to GL, AR to GL, logically. And if you override, what will impact? It will create reconciliation issues between subledger to GL. Then we don't recommend to create unposted journals from subledgers. Right. Now, I have one good question recently. Okay. R29 batch, I did not start subledgers and other students I'm telling. I imported a receivable journal. I imported a AP journal. When I import the journal, I want to drill down. This is applicable for every batch R29, R20. Query the any journal, source journal, do the drill down. Here you can see the original transaction recorded against this amount. This we can call drill down facility. Unapplied cash, view transaction. This facility given by Oracle since EBS R12, drill down functionality. So this one. Now client requested me while imported subledger journals. While imported the subledger journal, instead of the standard description, I want to see customer name, invoice number, 4 or 5 additional fields at a description. This is a very, very interesting question. How many members understood?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Right. Okay. Give me one momentum. This is a very, very important requirement. Okay. Let me show the one of the metalink information support.oracle.com. What are the instruction for adding details such as vendor name, invoice number, invoice date to the payable subledger, general lines description? Under manage description rules, task for payable, you can define following rules. See the attached document. Did you understand? Line level description, we would like to override. We got this requirement in real time. Yes, many times we got it. Who provided this one document to Oracle company? One of the functional consultant might be tested. They provided this and edit description rule. Edit description rule. Did you understand? Okay. Let me go to how many members understood in it? Please raise your voice.
I understood or not.
Manage the description rules, whatever model you chosen. Okay. Then okay. Then create the rule and we have to create rule here. Short name, payable. What is the description we need. Okay. You guys can try. I will share this document. Many times we got this question. Subledger journal. Later you need to assign to subledger journal entry rule sets. Invoice accrual basis for which account you want to use this functionality. How many pages are there? 6 pages are there. Then changing the active. This one I have done in the EBS article as a SLA customization changes. Okay. So this one I will execute it and it will take time. So once you done this one, you need to add the general line edit accounting method. You have to be assigned stage by stage, and this we can call SLA changes, and we can call SLA changes. Did you see? After changing the general line related, we can see vendor name, date, invoice number, etc. This we can call SLA changes. I will share this document If anyone raising the or anyone requesting the question, tell me, did you do any SLA changes in Fusion? We can easily answer this question. Got it, boys?
Sir, but
Yes, sir.
customer wise invoice is different. No?
No, simple. The target I will tell you now. When I created invoice in AR, it will import receivables debit, revenue credit. This is the standard. When imported, Oracle bringing standard message. Earlier I shown you standard message. This is very interesting and important topic many times. Okay, let me go. So if you don't know some of these setups, you can refer the metalink.com, support.oracle.com. That is the reason I am showing how to access. Okay, how to access few areas if you are not aware of. Even everybody would like to see, like receivables. Now we discuss what Oracle giving, what client expecting. See, general import created, showing automatically. Now client expecting, I don't need general imported. This invoice imported from the AR model. If I do drill down, I can see, but I need customer name, customer invoice number. Okay, they need instead of the general imported, that we can call general line description override functionality. Did you understand, boys? Now
Okay, sir. I
Yes,
understood.
sir.
Now. From
Total,
sales data, we have to pull then it will come.
if it is payables, item expense, debit, or accrual debit, if it is PO based, three-way matching, liability credit. Now they need, okay, vendor name, vendor invoice number, how many description they required, you have to be understand, customize it, assign to the respective primary ledger option. Okay, I will tell you very interesting logic. When I was working for MTI, we have the US primary ledger. We have AP, AR, interesting question, FA, cash management. That AP module, they did not ask the SLA changes. AR module required SLA changes. FA, they did not ask the SLA changes. Can we do SLA changes for only specific module? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, you can do. When I was working for BMI bank, we don't have AR model because of banking sector. We done for AP, we done for AR, FA. Cash management we don't have. Okay. So within the Oracle application subledgers, you can define your accounting model SLA changes for respect to applications, and you don't require to do every application modification. Clear? When I was working for MTI, we done for SLA changes for AR model, general line description. But AP they did not ask. Clear, voice? Yes or no?
Sir, Yes, sir.
why AR module not required VMI bank?
No, banking sector, and they are using the Temenos system for banking system.
Okay, their own software.
Yes.
So then AP remaining module they are using Oracle.
That I already given you. I already communicated you starting of the regular classes.
Yes, sir. I remember.
They don't require. Okay, right. Next. Can we change the ledger name? Anytime
Yes, sir, we can.
we can change. Right. Then let me go to financial reporting structure. I have one question only. Okay. I have two accounts. Okay, mobile telephone expenses, mobile charge, internet expenses. We have the 55,000 balance, 65,000. Now client requested me, okay, I want to transfer telephone expenses to mobile expenses to make 1,20,000. Is it possible? I'm asking you, Babu. Is it possible? Is it possible?
Is it possible? But we need to get correct confirmation from GL manager.
I think no, sir.
Why it is not no? That is not a bank account, a GL account. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, right. In EBS, we have the maintenance concept and account maintenance concept is there. You can select the target source account, target account. You can do the activity. It will create a journal to knock off the balance. Okay, that we can call mass maintenance or account maintenance, separate functionalities there. In Fusion, they stopped that functionality. They requested to create a manual journal entry. What is the account you want to do debit? What is the account to be credited? You should do. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
In EBS, we have the direct concept called maintenance concept. In Fusion, we don't have. We have to create one journal entry. Right. Then can we define own conversion rate types? Can we define own conversion rate types? Yes and no. I created conversion rate types for many customer clients. Here you can click add. You can define conversion rate types while using for foreign currency journals, multi-currency journal. Can I disable existing conversion rate types? Yes. But you can't delete any codes. Right. Let me go to setup here. What is the difference between security rule, cross validation rule, and top interpretation? What is the difference between security rule, cross validation rule? That we are not yet discussed for R29, but other students, anyone able to access? Okay. Security rule restrict the segment value for data entry and inquiry. While doing the chart of account structure, you can define the security rule for respective value set. I want to restrict for security rule. Then what I will do? I will go and create security. Remember, we can create segment value security for particular value set for restriction. What is cross validation rule? To restrict the entire code combination to stop the journal entry. To stop the journal entry across the global. Okay. Can I override the first ever open period at the ledger options? I'm asking you. Okay, right. I requested one R29 batch. Just remind me today one topic I will explain you. But no one make me remember memory. Who said I noted, sir? I will ask you tomorrow. Somebody told me.
నేనే సార్ బట్ అది క్లాస్ లో అన్నారు కదా సార్.
Not class. I asked you to remember in the interview questions workshops, not regular.
ఎస్ సార్ నేను కూడా.
We
క్లాస్
need.
పెట్టుకున్నాను సార్ అడుగుదామనే, కాకపోతే అది క్లాస్ లో ఏమో అని చెప్పి అడగలేదు సార్.
Okay. Okay. Right. Let me give the important point. Okay. I will tell you live example. Live example. Very, very interesting. Please listen. I hope everyone listening, right? Right. Now, we have the AP, procurement, and FA and GL, BMI bank and. Okay, right. BMI bank. Today, one of the key point. Procurement, AP, FA. We brought the journals every day by subledgers. Okay. Now, when user run the report, trial balance report, let me give the. Okay, go to tools, scheduled process. That is EBS story, not Fusion. EBS application they are using 2009 we implement. Trial balance. When we run the trial balance report, when we submit a trial balance report, Aravind Pharma, I am running for December 24 because we have data. January 25 also it will give the data. It shows as a opening balance and month data entry and ending balances. Right. Very, very important point. Now, right. This you can see data. When the BMI bank verified, they are not satisfied and their expectation of trial balance. They requested, we need more analytical analysis, more reporting. Is it possible? No. Then Oracle company, Satyam Computer suggested, we will use the integration from EBS GL to Hyperion application, Hyperion financials. We will do outbound interface from GL to Hyperion application every day. Then you can happily run the reports, trial balance report and financial statements. Okay, you can happily verify and understand. How many members understand this question? Did you understand?
Can you repeat once your answer, please?
In EBS, we shown the trial balance report. We shown the income and expense statement, like a profit and loss statement and a balance sheet, which will indicate company position. But they are not satisfied. These two reports. They need more analytical. They need more reporting, more drill down, more visibility. EBS article not satisfied. Then Oracle suggested to BMI Bank, by the Hyperion financial application, we will transfer the data from EBS GL to Oracle Hyperion financials. You can run the report. You will be satisfied in the Hyperion application. That is the reason 10 years back, 15 years back, we have the good demand for Hyperion financial. Anybody lend Hyperion financial? Voice?
So is this a Oracle product itself or
Oracle. Oracle. Right. See, Hyperion product. Now, many clients, I worked for a couple of clients, same situation. Then Oracle company requested, okay? Then Oracle requested, many clients request to Oracle company, hey, we need Hyperion type of activities within the EBS. They can't go and adjust, it is built. Then when it is come to Fusion, you can run the reports and they included Hyperion application concepts in the Fusion through the FRS reports, S-base cubes. That is the reason reporting is very, very simplified in the Fusion GL, which they brought the good data from the Hyperion, like account inspector, account monitor, then FRS reports, S-base cubes. I will tell you now. 2005 and 6, you might be purchased camera separate, normal mobile separate. Many consumers expected camera should be included in the smart mobile. Every mobile company developed camera with the every mobile company developed the camera feature should be included in the smart mobile without using the two instruments. Agree? Same thing, Hyperion application functionalities included in the Fusion as a S-base cubes, as a account inspector monitor and FRS. How many members understood? No?
Understand, sir.
Yes or no? Right. So that is the reason now Hyperion we don't have the jobs, and as per my knowledge, I'm not commenting. That is the reason. So if you refer the S-base cubes, next 4 minutes to go. So S-base cubes bring the multi-dimensional balance cubes, which will update the, okay, which will allow the more financial reporting purpose. This is the live example I have seen in my career from EBS to Fusion. Understood? Right. You understand, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. There are other functionalities also added from the different ERPs under Oracle family and Oracle group. Okay, right. This is the main I want to tell you. So Hyperion, the Hyperion application directly included in the GL. We are not doing any outbound interface like EBS software. Clear, boys? Yes or no? Right. Something we discussed today, interesting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Right. So that is the reason if you go to home page, if you go to journals, let me go to another navigation. The open workspace for financial reports. We can call financial reporting studio or financial reporting center. See, this is the EPM application, and remember, EPM application introduced by Oracle company to build your financial reports as per our requirement, enterprise performance management, which will allow to do the, okay, your own balance sheet financial statement. See here. Master head file. Okay. These are all functionalities provided by Oracle company through EPM application for FRS, of course. Let me try. We are accessing directly Oracle okay websites and tool. This is a top interview question many times. What is FRS reports? Did you work on? Financial Reporting Studio provides to build your financial reports for general ledger balances. Let me open Oracle website. We have to be understand and build the FRS report or FRC reporting center. No. Okay, how to identify unposted journals particular GL account and anyone refer? Answer.
Go to manage journal.
GL account. How to verify unposted journals? How many posted journals are recorded? Anyone can suggest me?
Go to manage general.
Go to.
Manage generals.
Okay.
Then you can select unposted.
Good. Then right. I selected unposted.
Then search.
I think you did not understand my question. Okay. Did I ask you question? I want to see unposted journal for period wise. Did I ask the question? I need unposted journal account wise. I am asking you.
Account wise.
No, but there is no account right here. Yeah, you are trying the answer and I will appreciate it. This page doesn't have the potential to give the account wise unposted journal entry. See the journals parameters verify. Yes, boys. This page having the potential to give the source wise, category wise, ledger wise, journal wise, you don't have capability in this page. Then Oracle suggesting this is a top intro question. Supporting time you can see. Go to period close, try, inquire on detailed balances. You have to try. See here, there is no option. I release the video also, and if you refer, analyze, inquire on journal lines, verify. Unposted status, then give the source, category, currency, period, your BSV code, account, cost set. Voice clear now? You have to be practice this way. I want to see unposted journal company wise. There is no okay, we know there is no unaccounted journal report and a good question, good answer. Let me try. Right. 1 minute to go. Let me try. One student requested check the unposted. Is there any report and unposted journal report? No. We have to go to inquire on journal balances. You have to go to what is the navigation I suggested? I release the videos also. If you go to period close, I suggested go to task, inquire on journal lines through balance inquiry. Or else you can develop the OTBA report. No? You can develop OTBA report for unposted journals. If not possible, request the technical team develop the BA reports for unposted journal to identify account wise, identify ledger wise, identify periodical also. Team, are you getting my point? Yes or no? Yes. Thanks so much for joining.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for participation. Okay. Something new today? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow we will have the classes. Let us connect sharp 6. Thanks for joining. Okay, right. Tomorrow we will see new topics. Okay. I don't have the any plan to discuss particular area, particular topic. Okay. Based on the discussion, we will go on okay.